How to install Visual C++ in Windows 11 and 10. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch your preferred browser in your device and go ahead and search for Visual C++. You can click on the option of Download Visual C++ redistributable for auto download. But if you want to download based on the bit and the information, click on the first link. So right here in this article, not just you will get the download link, but you will also get the compatible version for you. So in your left hand side, you will see the architecture, which is based on the bit of your laptop or your PC. So if you have the 64-bit, you can just click on the link to download the compatible version and vice versa for the rest of the architecture version. Once you have installed it, it is quite simple. Then in the search bar, you need to search for appwiz.cpl. To check if your C++ has been installed, you can just check out right here, and in this list, you can see Microsoft Visual C++. It will also show the version and the date of the install. So this is how you can easily install your Visual C++ in Windows 11 and 10. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.